If you want to become a YouTube creator, then you need to watch this video, because in this video I will be talking about the three important things which will help you to create a quality YouTube videos and help you to grow your channel in short period of time. And if you are already a YouTube creator, then you should make sure if you guys have these things or not, because if you lack these kind of things, then the growth in your YouTube channel and the YouTube videos will be slowed down, and it will take lots of time and more hard work and more struggle to grow your YouTube channel. But if you have these three things already, then it will be easier for you to create quality YouTube videos, and quality YouTube videos will help you to grow your channel in short amount of time. So without wasting time, let's move into our video. Let's go. The number one most important thing that you need to have for creating a quality videos is a microphone. Yes, microphone is one of the most important factor for creating a YouTube videos or quality videos, because the most important thing in your video is the audio. If the audio is not clear and high quality, then your video will be boring and low quality as well. So that's why for improving the quality of your videos, the main thing and the first thing you need is a microphone. For example, this is the audio of this video without using a microphone. The microphone is off right now. As you can see, there might be a little bit of noise in the video, or you can't hear my voice clearly. So this kind of problem is I am facing right now without using a microphone, and you will also face this kind of problem if you don't have a microphone. So as you can see, there is a clear difference while you don't use a microphone and while you use a microphone. Using a microphone can boost the audio quality of your video, and the high quality of audio will obviously make your videos look good and interesting. So that's why purchasing or investing on a microphone as a YouTube creator is the first and the most important thing that you should do. If you already knew about this thing, then I'm sure that you already have a high quality microphone. But if you don't know about this, then you should buy a microphone as soon as possible for creating a high quality of YouTube videos. Now let's talk about the second thing which is important as equal as to a microphone, and it is a tripod. Yes, a tripod is a very important factor for making your videos look more professional and more attractive. It is true that without a tripod, it is very hard to make a professional videos. If you don't have tripod, then you need to adjust your phone like this with lots of struggle, and still you can't find the best spot and the best lighting. But if you have a tripod, it is very easy to find the perfect spot and the perfect lighting for your videos. A tripod make it so much easy for shooting or recording a high quality video. This is how tripod plays a vital role while creating a quality of videos and quality of content. Now let's move to the third main important thing, which is a camera. Having a good quality of camera which can record good quality of videos will help you the most in your content creation journey. As a content creator, the main thing you should be focusing while creating videos is the quality of the videos, and a good quality of camera will help you to create high quality of content and videos, which will help you a lot in your YouTube journeys, and which will be the main reason that will help you to grow your channel as soon as possible in short period of time. But if you don't have a good quality of camera, then you can use your smartphones. Right now also I am recording this video with my smartphones, but while recording from a phone, make sure your mobile phone have a good camera. So that's why if you want to become a YouTube creator or start your YouTube journey, then you should at least have a smartphones with a good camera qualities. Invest your money and purchase the phone which has a good camera. So these are the three important things that you need for creating a YouTube videos or starting your YouTube journey. So if you guys already have these kind of things, then it is very good. But if you guys don't have these kind of things, then you need to buy it as soon as possible. Invest your money in this thing, start your YouTube journey, create high quality of videos, do more hard work and more smart work to grow your channel, and start earning by uploading videos and creating videos by sitting on your own home. That's it. This much for today. I hope you guys like the video. Make sure you subscribe the channel for more videos like this, and comment down if you guys have these kind of things in your home or not.